how to delete saved pins on Pinterest application. Firstly, the main point as you get on that selection, it is to open up your side screen section on your Pinterest. And as you get right there, the main point here, it is simply to go on your profile icon, which is on the fourth option right down. As you get right here, guys, simply if you want to delete all of your saved sections, the main point it is to get up and catch your side screen section, which are right here. Just go for some of your saved pins, for example this one. Yeah, here it is, all your pins, but I'm gonna go with this one. And as you get on that session, as you can see, you have 4 pins. And if you want to simply go and go delete this saved pin, you simply need to go on the right option, which is on your right upper side. Just click on the 3 dots, and as you get there, as you can see, you have all these options which are available for your section. You need to go edit pin on the first section, and as you can see, the last option, that is delete this pin. Go for it, go delete on that red line section, and as you can see right here, right now we have got it.